Warning: this video contains flashing indicators and loud sounds that may be irritating or could trigger a seizure. If you have photosensitive or startle-induced epilepsy, I strongly recommend that you stop watching. Sincerely, Canada WX.
There goes the phone. There goes the 4S. That's the 4S. Leave that go off. XLMVD. Shush! Thank you. Are you going to be first? You're so quiet. Oh! XLR? That is awkward. Oh, there goes ED. That was that one. Wait, hold on. Did that one go off? Yay! That one went off. That one finally decoded right. It's 1 hour now. Only 1 minute late. This is bizarre, because XLR always tests last. XLM tests second. That one tests the first. That was weird. Oh, I guess that was fun.